Woman is the most meek of all the people. But she is also very susceptible to wolves. Woman is very susceptible to the imitation, and she struggles to identify the real from the fake. One example of this is feminism, which took the order of God and called it a patriarchy in the attempt to defame it. Now this comes down to discipline between the sexes. The men used to control the collective consciousness, and what's being called patriarchy was nothing more than a system of discipline, which was the discipline of the ego. But a woman in her ego does not understand discipline, and she only sees limitation, because the woman's ego lusts for power, and when she imitates the man's righteousness, it comes out in the form of power. So the woman imitating Christ destroyed the order of God because she said that God was limiting her potential, and this is the birth of feminism. This is why Eve is portrayed as the one tempted by the snake, because the subversion against God was brought by the woman, but it was not woman, it was the ego. And the ego works greatest through woman, being that she is so meek and yet at the same time susceptible to wolves.